My name is Emmanuel Igwe from Nigeria, a GMG participant. I am in Group 2, Batch 002, GMG Guidance School. I will be educating you a little on the ideology of GMG, how it works, the roots, benefits of GMG. GMG is a community of people helping each other to overcome the unjust financial system of the world. It is formed by former guiders and members of MMM in order to continue with the great ideology of our mentor Sergio Mavroди of blessed memory. That is creating a just financial system that is devoid of injustice. Green Mavro that is devoid of injustice. Green Mavro has been able to identify some of the shortcomings of MMM and has been able to put some measures in place in order to overcome such challenges. Remember, GMG is not a bank nor a Ponzi, but a community of people helping each other to overcome the unjust financial system of the world. GMG platform connects millions of people around the world. In GMG, there is no central account. We transfer money directly to members' accounts because it is a platform created on giving and receiving in order to overcome the unjust financial system of the world where the rich is always oppressing the poor. Now, how does it work? Once again, this is a community of people helping each other. In this community, you are not under compulsion to provide help. Rather, you ask for help, another member provides that help. When you provide help in GMG according to your spare money, the money is transferred directly into the account of the member that needs that help. And when you also need help, you will be given help directly by another member that is willing to provide that help. You will also receive an addition of 30% reward for your initial donation. Say, for example, you provided help of 10,000 naira to a member. After 30 days, from the day he confirmed reception, you will now request for help in the sum of 13,000 naira, which will be transferred directly into your account. That is your 10,000 naira plus 3,000, that is 30% of 30% as a reward for your donation. Remember, before you will be eligible to request for this help, you must have made a 10% recommitment fee, recommitment donation, not fee, recommitment donation of your initial provide help. Because in GMG, there is what we call recommitment donation. This was introduced into the community in order to ensure that the community is always healthy and also to discourage those members that want to come and hit and run from participating in the system. We also have there's also another category of 40% reward for your donation. In this case, you allow your donation to stay up to 90 days from the day your provide help is confirmed by the last recipient. Should you withdraw this before 90 days, it will be recalculated at 30% and transferred directly into your account by another member. In GMG, Mavro starts growing from the day the 10% of your donation is confirmed by the recipient. Please bear in mind that the 30% reward is not an interest, because you are giving the money away to another member, because we do not earn anything as it is not a profit platform. So you can lose your money after donating because there is no guarantee that you get back your donation. And that is why you are advised in this community to always participate with your spare money. Now the rules. In GMG, it is forbidden to have multiple accounts. That is rule 1. Rule 2, you must participate with your spare money. Rule 3, do not provide help in the amount you cannot redeem when called upon. Rule 4, there is no guarantee you can lose all your donations. Remember to check your PO regularly to avoid being blocked, because one block may not be unblocked. Do not click on PH button when your spare money is not readily available. You must write letter of happiness immediately after receiving help. Then, benefits. In GMG, there are so many benefits, like registration bonus ranging from $20 to $100, depending on your PH level. We also have the 10% referral bonus. That is, this referral bonus is what you get from all the PH of members you introduce into the system. We also have the 30 to 50% reward for your donations. We also have the guidance bonus ranging from first level to fifth level guiders. Guiders receive their bonuses according to their level. In fact, GMG is a community that will help you grow your money from nothing to something, because it accommodates all categories of persons irrespective of your financial status. It is really a place to grow your money. Thank you for listening, as I encourage you to join this community in order to help you grow your fund. Please remember always to participate with your spare money, and there is no guarantee there's no guarantee that you will get back your donation despite adhering to all the rules. Once again, thank you, and God bless you for listening.